welcome back to my channel. So if I do sound a little bit strange and a bit like nasally and stuff, it's because I'm just getting over a cold. I've had a sore throat and I've just generally not been feeling very well, so that's probably why I sound a bit strange. But today's video, I thought that I'd share with you a few hairstyles that I've been loving at the minute, just some hairstyles that I think are really cute and summery, because I've had a few messages of asking how I do my hair and how I get my hair in a certain way. So I thought that I'd film a little video, a little tutorial, just of me doing my hair and a few different hairstyles that I've been loving at the moment. So the first hairstyle is very sleek, very straight. My hair is very wavy at the minute. I've literally just washed it and blow dried it, and this is how my hair is. Okay, so for this hairstyle, it's quite super sleek. So I'm just gonna section my hair into two parts. I'm just going to use one of these little clips. I would normally spray after I've teased with this little back combing brush, but I don't actually have any hairspray, so I'm just going to pop in a little pin. So that's hairstyle number one, just super cute, sleek, straight hair, with a little bit of a back comb in the roots, and yeah, with some little clips. So the next hairstyle is literally just a headband. So I'm just gonna bring my hair forward. I'm just gonna put on the headband like that. Just kind of make that not so like tight, but just, you know, like a bit poofed up a little bit kind of thing. And yeah, and have like little bits of hair down. And this is just a simple second hairstyle, something that I just shove in if I'm in a rush and going to work, and it's just quick, easy, obviously, because you're just chucking a hairband in your hair, headband in your hair, and it's cute. And yeah, this is probably my go-to at the moment. I love wearing my hair like this to work. It's just super cute, easy, and yeah, I really like it. So the next hairstyle is kind of like my messy bun, but I have like a couple of pieces of hair just down. So you just want to take two pieces of hair, like section them off, and kind of obviously make sure that like they're even and stuff. So I'm just going to section off those two pieces of hair, and then I'm just going to get my hairbrush, and I'm going to, hair's getting in the way. I don't know if they're a bit too big. Maybe they're a bit too big. Okay, we'll just take some more back. Okay, so I've just taken a little bit more back because I think I had a little bit too much. But just going to section off those two pieces of hair, and then I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to smooth it out. I'm just going to smooth out all my hair and brush it up. I keep looking at my mirror down there just in case you are wondering. Okay, so that's as smooth as it can be. It just gets everywhere, doesn't it? So I'm just going to pop this into my scruncher. It doesn't matter what bobble you use, you can use any bobble. I just like to use a scruncher. And then make sure it's quite tight. I'm going to take my little detangling. I'm going to take my little back combing brush. I got this from Primark. It was like 90p. And then I'm just going to take sections, I'm just going to back comb and tease the hair a little bit. And then I'm just going to take the hair, literally, and then we're just going to wrap it round the pony, round the bubble, like that. I'm quite happy with that bun, to be fair. That's quite a nice bun. And then rather than just using bobby pins, which you can use, I just use one of these little clips. This is actually broke, it's got one missing. And then I just literally, and then I'm just gonna clip it in where the end of the hair is, like so. And it's just gonna look like that. What I'm gonna do is with these bits, you can leave them like that if you want. That's quite nice. But I'm just going to curl this. I'm gonna just take it round the wand like that. And I'm just gonna curl those two little pieces. A nice little curl like that. That is quite tight, obviously. But I'm just gonna let that settle, let it cool down, and then we're just gonna brush it out. So let's do the next side. Oh. So now that the curls I've curled down, they're obviously really, really tight, so I don't want them like this. I'm just going to take a comb and I'm just going to brush through the curl, and then it's just going to leave a nice little wave. I used to, when I was brushing out curls and stuff, I would usually use just a normal hairbrush, but I found that just using a comb is better because it's not brushing it out completely, it's just, you know, getting rid of and that. I love this hairstyle. It's so like easy to achieve. It's so simple and it's so easy and quick. This is like my favourite hairstyle at the moment. I'm just obsessed with wearing my hair like this. I just think that this is a really safe option to have to do your hair, especially if you're having a really bad hair day and you've not washed your hair and it's a little bit greasy. You can just shove it up like this in a little messy bun and you're good to go. It's a cute little hairstyle. So yeah, this is hairstyle number 3. So for the next hairstyle, I'm just going to take my wand and I'm just going to curl most of my hair, pretty much all of my hair, and take my wand and I'm just going to curl all of my hair. But this is probably going to take me a while, so it's going to probably take me about 20 minutes, and for you, probably about 2 seconds, because I'm going to speed this up. So the lighting has gone a bit all over the place because I'm filming this and it's gone quite dark outside, so I've had to close the blinds and I've put the big light on and we're just gonna have to go with it. But yeah, so my hair is finally all curled, it's cooled down. I'm literally just gonna comb it out ever so lightly and just comb some of the curls out, and instead of making them really, really tight, just make it really wavy like that. So then it looks like that now. I'm just going to section off my hair like this. So I'm getting my little sectioner, and I think I want my hair like this. So I'm going to section that bit off. I'm just going to clip that. So we just sectioned it off like that, and then I'm just gonna pop a bobble in and tighten it really quite tight. As you can see, my curls are starting to fall out because I've not put hairspray on. There we go, we've got the bobble in like that, and that is such a cute little hairstyle. And you could just leave it like that and then obviously go over curls if you needed to with your wand. My hair is quite thin. I wish it was a lot thicker because that would be obviously lots better. So you could just go back over the curls that you've done. You could even like back comb it a little bit if you wanted, or you could have it in a bun, so you could kind of, I don't have that much hair on the top, but you could, if you wanted, just have it in a little bun. I think I've got a little miniature clip here, yeah. Just pop one of those clips in and have it as a little miniature bun on the top of your head, which is quite a cool, cute hairstyle. But I feel like this hairstyle is really in at the minute. It's quite beachy, it's summery, it's wavy, it's really cute, and it's so easy, like so easy. Anyone could do the hair like this, honestly. So they were just a couple of hairstyles I thought I'd show you that I've just been loving, and I think are really cute and super easy, definitely super easy to achieve. If I can do my hair like this, then you definitely can too. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure that you do give it a big thumbs up because it lets me know that you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it really helps me out and it means the absolute world to me if you subscribed and click the little button down below. And also don't forget to click the notification bell, because then every time I upload you will get notified. I'm literally so close to 2,000 subscribers now, and honestly it's taken so long for me to get here, but I just want to thank you all so much for your support and love, and for watching my videos and commenting and liking and stuff. And yeah, it honestly does mean a lot to me, so thank you so much. But I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.